So what's up guys? It's your boy Justin back in again. Wow. So vlog tayo guys, vlog. So punta tayo ng clubhouse guys. Doon tayo mag-gym this Sunday today. So end of the week na workout natin. So mag-cardio lang tayo guys, mag-cardio lang. Mag-mobility, yoga, stretching, yeah, lightweight, and takbo tayo. 30 minutes as you know, at least 30 minutes. Punta tayo sa clubhouse. Punta tayo mag-gym. Sunbox natin tong mat ko. Saka it's called that wristbands, resistance band. Wow! Then testing ko lang din yung parang pantakip dito sa mic. Kasi wala pa akong mic nito guys eh. So yung ano lang, binilin ko yung parang cover lang para mawala yung ingay. Hindi ko alam kung gumagana siya. Pero sana gusto yung audio guys, para hindi natin kailangan bumili ng mic. You know alligators. So, malapit lang yun guys, lakad lang yan. So tayo ng gym guys. So nandito na tayo guys. So nandito yung trabaho Mexicana yan guys. Nag-gym din siya guys. So stretching lang tayo sa sandbox na. Unbox tayo guys. Wristband. So, what's up guys? So, tapos na tayo mag-mobility Mobi. So, mag-jogging na tayo guys. Jogging. Prep tayo ng jogging guys. So, jogging tayo guys at least 30 minutes. Cardio day. Let's try natin mag-shooting after. Peace out. So what's up guys? Tapos na ang bida. Okay na guys, tapos na tayo ngayong araw. So basically ganun lang. Dapat mag-basketball pa sana ako kaso gabi na guys. Nabot na tayo ng dilim. It's what time is it? It's 7:49, mag-alas 8 na rin. Para ako sana mag-shooting kanina. So hindi tayo maabot sa oras. So, pahinga na lang. Linggo naman yung rest day. Yeah. Happy Eastern Sunday, guys. So, yun lang. Kita ulit. Peace out.